Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about what is Amazon S3. Do you know what the world's broadly adopted cloud platform is? It is nothing but Amazon Web Services AWS that has purpose-built functionalities to offer reliable, scalable, and cost-effective cloud computing solutions. AWS storage services. The need for storage is increasing day by day. To fulfill that need, Amazon offers a total of 5 main storage options. They are AWS Import and Export, Amazon Glacier, AWS Storage Gateway, Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, Amazon Sample Storage Service, Amazon S3. What is Amazon S3? What is an Amazon S3 bucket? How do Amazon S3 works? Amazon S3 features, data consistency models. What is Amazon S3? Amazon S3 is a web service which is used to store and retrieve unlimited data anywhere over the internet. It is similar to Google Drive and is probably the best storage options under AWS. It is mostly used for static web content and media, hosting entire static websites, data storage for large-scale analytics, backup and archival of critical data, disaster recovery solutions for business continuity. What is an Amazon S3 bucket? Amazon S3 has two basic entities called object and bucket, where objects are stored inside buckets. By default, one can create sub-buckets per account. In case of more bucket demands, one can submit the request to increase the limit. Bucket names should be globally unique, irrespective of the region. Every bucket has its data and descriptive metadata. Let's have a look at the basic concepts of Amazon S3. How does Amazon S3 work? Amazon S3 offers an object storage service where each object is stored as a file name with given ID number and metadata. Unlike file and block cloud storage, Amazon S3 allows a developer to access an object via a REST API. There are two types of metadata in S3: system-defined and user-defined. The system-defined is used for maintaining things such as creation date, size, last modified, etc., whereas the user-defined system is used to assign key values to the data that user uploads. Key value helps users to organize objects and allow easy retrieval. S3 blocks. S3 allows users to upload, store, and download file having size of to 5 terabytes. What are the important features of Amazon S3? Write, read, and delete unlimited objects containing from 1 byte to 5 terabytes of data. Each object is stored in a bucket and accessed via a unique user-assigned key. Objects stored by the user at a specific region never leave the location unless he/she transfer it out. Objects can be made private or public, and rights can be granted to specific users. Uses standards-based REST and SOAP interfaces that can work with any internet development toolkit. The default download protocol is HTTP AWS, CLI, and SDK operate on HTTPS connections by default. Provides functionality to divide data by buckets, supervise and control spend, and automatically archive data to even lower cost storage options for better manageability of data through its lifetime. Data consistency models. S3 and Amazon provides high availability and durability solutions by replicating the data of one bucket in multiple data centers. As told earlier, Amazon S3 bucket never leaves its positions until a user adds or deletes it. Consistency is an important part of data storage. It ensures that every change committed to a system should be visible to all the participants. S3 has two types of consistency models: read after write consistency, eventual consistency. Read after write consistency. It enables visibility of a newly created object to all clients without any delays. Eventual consistency. There is a time lag between the changes made in the data to the point where all participants can see it. It might not be visible immediately, but eventually it appears.